Pool Payday bonus ads can fail to load when the ad request itself does not complete, so repeatedly tapping the bonus button usually will not fix the problem. The quickest approach is to check the connection, restart the app, and then reset the app's temporary data before trying the bonus again. By the end, you'll know which steps to try when Pool Payday shows a blank ad, keeps loading, or returns you to the game without giving you the bonus. First, completely close Pool Payday instead of leaving it running in the background. On Android, open the recent app screen and swipe Pool Payday away. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe the app away. Then launch Pool Payday again and check the bonus. If the ad still does not appear, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if both are available. An ad can fail when the connection is working well enough for the game, but not stable enough for the advertising service. Next, turn off anything that blocks or filters ads. This includes system-level ad blocking, private DNS settings, VPN-based filtering, or network filters. You do not need to disable security software permanently. Temporarily removing the filter can tell you whether it is preventing the bonus ad from loading. On Android, you can also clear Pool Payday's cache through the app settings. Clearing the cache removes temporary files without using the same process as clearing the app's stored data. After clearing the cache, reopen Pool Payday and test the bonus again. On iPhone, there is no general clear cache button for individual apps. If restarting the app and checking the connection does not help, check the App Store for an available Pool Payday update. An outdated app version can behave differently from the current version. If normal ads load but the specific bonus ad does not, the problem may be on the advertising side rather than your phone. In that situation, reinstalling the app repeatedly is unlikely to help. If the bonus still will not load, record what happens when you tap the bonus. Note whether you see a blank screen, a loading indicator, an error message, or no response. That information is useful when contacting Pool Payday support. So the key fixes are simple. Restart Pool Payday, test another connection, remove ad blocking filters, clear the Android cache if applicable, and check for an app update. Try those steps in that order before reinstalling the game. If this fixed your Pool Payday bonus ads, like the video, and subscribe for more Pool Payday troubleshooting fixes.